Conjugation of the verb to borrow in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I borrow. 2. Simple past, I borrowed. 3. Simple future, I will borrow. 4. Present continuous, I am borrowing. 5. Past continuous, I was borrowing. 6. Future continuous, I will be borrowing. 7. Present perfect, I have borrowed. 8. Past perfect, I had borrowed. 9. Future perfect, I will have borrowed. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been borrowing. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been borrowing. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been borrowing. Conjugation of the verb to borrow, he, she, or it. 1. Simple present, he, she, or it borrows. 2. Simple past, he, she, or it borrowed. 3. Simple future, he, she, or it will borrowed. 4. Present continuous, he, she, or it is borrowing. 5. Past continuous, he, she, or it was borrowing. 6. Future continuous, he, she, or it will be borrowing. 7. Present perfect, he, she, or it has borrowed. 8. Past perfect, he, she, or it had borrowed. 9. Future perfect, he, she, or it will have borrowed. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she, or it has been borrowing. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she, or it had been borrowing. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she, or it will have been borrowing. Conjugation of the verb to borrow, you, we, or they. 1. Simple present, you, we, or they borrow. 2. Simple past, you, we, or they borrowed. 3. Simple future, you, we, or they will borrow. 4. Present continuous, you, we, or they are borrowing. 5. Past continuous, you, we, or they were borrowing. 6. Future continuous, you, we, or they will be borrowing. 7. Present perfect, you, we, or they have borrowed. 8. Past perfect, you, we, or they had borrowed. 9. Future perfect, you, we, or they will have borrowed. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we, or they have been borrowing. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we, or they had been borrowing. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we, or they will have been borrowing.